And
Papalayuin yung pato. Okay. Relying on the 3 and 4. Pretty good speed. Muntikan na siyang mabenta.
nababad si Jolo Aspuria sa mga safety battles.
Ayun.
Laban si Nick Abergas. So if anything, Jolo Aspuria medyo sanay, nahasa. Is he gonna go for a carom shot here? No.
Trying to hide using the 6.
Tago ulit.
Nicely done. Kanyang kauna-unahang Sharks 10 Ball Junior Open.
Oo.
Parang kailan lang talaga. Oh!
Ay!
Wow. Tamaan niya yung 8, mas maganda pa siguro. Kung hindi kasi baka mabitin.
Ako, bitin.
Ayun.
Bitin ba?
Probably a two-way shot.
Last safety.
Ayun. Pure safety lang pala yung kanyang inisip doon. So watch out. Baka matamaan yung 9.
One ring.
Good hit. Not bad. Not a bad play.
Or options for safety ito si Jolo.
Intrusive thoughts ko.
Ginagawa mo, tinutruwingan mo
Karambola
screen.
9. So looks like he's got a direct hit. Almost enough,
Nice.
making the 2 ball. Not a bad leave.
And if anything kasi, ang nakikita ko dito, as Jolo Aspuria made contact on that blue 2, double contact, and it still produced positive result.
Oh, he wanted that 2 ball not to hit the 6, but to get in front of the 6.
And to completely seal that